divide 810 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 1 and it is 31. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 0 and it is 10. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 810 divided by 5 is 162. So this much for today and thanks for watching.